Hey guys, this is the Toro. I forgot to put the filter on it. I was going to start it, but I had to run in and grab the filter quick. I've got the engine stop tied down so I can start it here. See how easy she starts up. People that don't know them, when you start to walk, it walks at your speed, or it leaves at your speed. After you walk, after it goes. Yeah, no smoke, no rattle. Wasn't nothing wrong with it, but it's hydro locked. All it was wrong with it was hydro locked, and the shop he had it in, I guess, needed to sell one. So they told him the engine was locked up, and all it was, somebody had filled it up with water, and I guess they just started on it, and it kept pumping the water or through the carburetor. I don't know how it did it, but you could not turn it. Whenever I first started, I pulled the plug out before I did the compression test, and I got the water out of it, and the engine would turn. I did a compression check on it, and it's got over 120 pounds of compression. It's like 121, 122. Don't know how long it had set up. But yeah, and I'm thinking about keeping this one instead of putting it up for sale. I'll clean it up and put my daughter's boyfriend to work doing some lawn jobs over the summer.